Welcome. In today's guide, I'm going to walk you through a simple, step-by-step process on how to allow notifications for messages on the WhatsApp app for PC. With the latest update, some settings may look slightly different, so if you've been missing important messages or not getting any alerts, this will quickly fix that for you. Let's get started. First, go ahead and open the WhatsApp application on your computer. Make sure you're logged in and on the main screen where your chats are listed. This is the starting point where we'll adjust the notification settings. Next, look toward the lower left or top left corner of the app, depending on the version you're using. You'll see a small gear icon, which represents the settings menu. Click on this gear icon to open your settings. Once you're inside settings, a menu will appear with several options such as chats, themes, and storage. From here, locate and click on the section labeled Notifications. This is where you can manage all of your alert preferences for messages and calls. Now that you're in the Notifications tab, look for the switch or toggle option specifically for messages. By default, in the new update, this option can sometimes be turned off, which is why you may not have been receiving alerts. Go ahead and turn this option on to make sure you're notified every time you receive a new message. After enabling message notifications, you'll also find additional customization options in this same section. For example, you can adjust the sound of your alerts, the appearance of pop-up notifications, and whether or not you want to see previews of incoming messages. Taking a moment to personalize these settings ensures that your notifications work exactly the way you want them. And that's it. You've successfully enabled message notifications for WhatsApp on your PC. From now on, you'll get notified whenever a new chat comes in, helping you stay connected without constantly checking the app. If you've been struggling with missing important updates or conversations, this quick adjustment will definitely make a difference. Thanks for watching.